Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do quick calculations without screen unlocked in Samsung Galaxy A35. So let's begin. So firstly, connect your device to the internet and go to the setting. Now search for Bixby, type here BIXBY and go to the Bixby settings. Now tap on the first option, wake up. Now turn the setting on. Turn all the settings. Now go back and turn this use while lock setting also. Turn it on. Now go back again. Now go back. Now again go to the settings. Swipe down the notification panel and click here on the power button icon. Now tap on this option, side button setting. Now select the options called press and hold while Bixby. Select the option wake Bixby. Now close the settings and now let's try. So now in the lock screen, just press the power button, press and hold the power button, and this will wake up Bixby. And type here. Now do the calculations here. Say for example 3 multiplications by 5 and press the arrow button, and this will calculate and show the result like this. You can do the calculations without touching your device also by simply saying Bixby. Bixby, what is 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 is 2.
And this is how you can use Bixby, a virtual assistant, to do calculations from the lock screen in your Samsung Galaxy A35.